Hey guys, welcome back to Forceful Anime. If you love intense anime stories, dark twists, and powerful what if fanfics, then you are in the right place. On this channel, we bring you epic Naruto fanfics, alternate timelines, and stories that will completely change how you see your favorite characters. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now, sit back, relax, and let's dive into today's story. Video title: Naruto's hidden power exposed. He can join any team. Smile with Hans Fire Anime Fanfic. If you enjoy this fanfic, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon for more amazing anime fanfics. And now, let's begin the story. The sky above Koa Academy was calm. Too calm. Naruto stood alone on the rooftop, wind brushing past his hair. Eyes closed. It's getting stronger. A strange energy pulsed inside him. Not chakra, not demonic power. Something else. Something unique. School, the team arrives. Oi, Naruto. Naruto opened his eyes. Issei Hayao came running up the stairs, followed by Rias Gremory, Akeno Himejima, Konko Tuju, and Asia Argento. You disappeared again, Rias said, arms crossed. Naruto shrugged. Just thinking. Akeno smiled. Thinking. Or hiding secrets. Naruto didn't respond. That silence said everything. Training session. Alright. Issei clapped. Let's train. Naruto stepped forward. Fine. Show me what you've improved. They attacked. Faster than before. Better coordination. But Naruto was still far ahead. He dodged effortlessly. Countered instantly. Corrected every mistake mid-fight. Too slow. Too predictable. Focus. Within minutes, they were exhausted. How are you this strong? Issei gasped. Naruto looked at his hand again. I told you, I'm different. Warning sign: the sudden disturbance. Suddenly, the air changed. Heavy. Dark. You feel that? Konko whispered. Naruto's eyes sharpened. Yeah. A portal tore open in the sky. From it, three unknown devils stepped out. Powerful. Dangerous. You are Naruto, one of them said coldly. Naruto stepped forward. Who's asking? The devil smirked. Someone interested in your ability. Everyone froze. Ability? Rias asked. Naruto's expression darkened. You shouldn't know about that. Smile with Hans, the truth starts leaking. The devil laughed. Oh, but we do. He pointed at Naruto. You are the anomaly. The one who can join any team. Silence. What? Issei said. Naruto didn't deny it. That was the worst part. Takkar the reveal. Rias stepped forward. Naruto, what are they talking about? Naruto closed his eyes briefly. Then, it's true. Everyone froze. I'm not bound to one peerage. I can temporarily join any team, any rating game. As a universal knight, shock hit everyone at once. That's impossible, Akeno whispered. Naruto shook his head. It shouldn't be possible, but it is. Battle begins. The enemy laughed. Perfect. We'll take you. Naruto's eyes turned cold. Try. They attacked. Fast. Brutal. But Naruto didn't move until the last second. Then, he vanished. Reappeared behind them. Boom. One enemy went down instantly. Too slow. Fire a glimpse of true power. The remaining enemies charged together. Naruto sighed. Guess I'll show you a little. His aura flared. Not red. Not black. Something different. Unnatural. He moved, and in seconds, it was over. All enemies defeated effortlessly. Dil Tootna aftermath. Silence returned. Everyone stared at Naruto, like they were seeing him for the first time. You've been hiding this, Reese said softly. Naruto looked away. Yeah. Issei stepped forward. Why? Naruto answered quietly. Because once people know, they stop seeing you as a teammate and start seeing you as a weapon. That hit hard. Warning sign final scene. Far away. Someone watched everything. Hidden in darkness. So it's true. A sinister smile appeared. The universal night exists. The news spread fast. Too fast. By the next morning, everyone knew Naruto Uzumaki was no ordinary devil. He was something else. Something valuable. Warning sign the pressure begins. Naruto walked through the halls of Ko Academy. Eyes followed him. Whispers everywhere. That's him. The Universal Knight. He can join any team. Naruto ignored it. But inside, it was already getting annoying. TCH. School unexpected visitors. The Occult Research Club room wasn't calm anymore. As soon as Naruto entered, he stopped. What is this? Inside, several powerful figures were already waiting. Rias Gremory stood at the center. But she wasn't alone. Across from her, Sona Citri adjusted her glasses calmly. Beside her, another noble devil faction. And near the window, a tall figure with overwhelming presence. Saraved Bell. The room felt heavy. You've got to be kidding me, Naruto muttered. Smile with horns, everyone wants him. Sona spoke first. Uzumaki Naruto. We would like to formally request your assistance. Rias immediately stepped in. He's already with my peerage. Sona shook her head. Not officially. That hit hard. Sarah stepped forward. I don't care about politics. I want strength. His eyes locked onto Naruto. Join me. Silence. Everyone waited. Tucker rising tension. Issei whispered. This is bad. Akeno nodded. Very bad. Rias clenched her fists. Naruto. For the first time, there was pressure in her voice. Not as a leader, but as someone who didn't want to lose him. Naruto's choice. Naruto looked at all of them. Calm, unbothered. You are all wasting your time. Everyone froze. I don't belong to anyone. Sarah smirked. Good answer. Sona narrowed her eyes. That's not how the system works. Naruto stepped forward. Then your system is flawed. Warning sign the twist. Suddenly, a voice echoed. Then let's test it. Everyone turned. A magic circle appeared. From it, a messenger. The Devil Council has decided. Naruto Uzumaki will be tested. Silence. Tested. Rias asked. The messenger continued. A special rating game will be held. Multiple teams. One battlefield. And Naruto will be forced to participate. Shock hit the room. Forced. Naruto said coldly. Yes. You will join one team. Temporarily. Smile with horns the stakes. Sarah smiled. Now it's interesting. Sona adjusted her glasses. This will decide everything. Rias stepped forward. He's not a tool. But the messenger didn't care. The decision is final. Then, he vanished. Dil Tootna emotional conflict. Silence filled the room. Naruto looked down. So that's how it is. Rias stepped closer. Naruto. He didn't look at her. If I join someone else, what will you do? That question hit deeply. Rias hesitated. For once, she didn't have an answer. Final moment. Naruto turned away. Looks like things just got complicated. Outside, dark clouds gathered. Because this wasn't just a game anymore. It was a war. The atmosphere in the room was suffocating. No one spoke. No one moved. Because now, everything depended on Naruto. The decision. Naruto stood in the center. Eyes closed. Thinking. Not about power. Not about winning. But about something else. Trust. He opened his eyes. Then turned. Toward Rias Cremery. I'll fight with you. Silence. Then, really? Issei shouted. Rias froze. Naruto. For a moment, she couldn't speak. Chamakta dil why he chose her. Sona adjusted her glasses. May I ask why? Naruto shrugged slightly. Simple. I trust them. He glanced at Issei, Akeno, Konko, and Asia. They fight for each other. Then looked back at Rias. Not just to win. That answer hit everyone differently. Sarah smirked. Good. Then I won't hold back. Rivalry ignites. Sona stepped forward. Then we'll defeat you. Rias smiled slightly. Try it. The tension now turned into rivalry. Real. Dangerous. Fire training begins. Later that day, Naruto stood in front of the team. We don't have much time. Issei nodded. Then train us. Naruto's eyes sharpened. Fine. But I won't go easy on you. Takkar extreme training. Attack me. No hesitation. They moved together. Better coordination. Better timing. But Naruto still dominated. He counted everything. Punished every mistake. Too slow. You're hesitating. Focus. Minutes felt like hours. Until they collapsed. Exhausted. We're gonna die before the match, Issei groaned. Naruto crossed his arms. If you stay like this, yes. Warning sign new strategy. Naruto pulled out a binder. Everyone blinked. What's that? Akeno asked. Your survival plan. He opened it. Inside. Detailed strategies. Formations. Counter moves. Backup plans. You made all this? Rias asked. Naruto nodded. Every possible scenario. Shock. He's serious, Konko whispered. Chamakta dil a quiet moment. Later, Rias approached Naruto alone. Thank you. Naruto glanced at her. For what? For choosing us. He looked away slightly. Don't misunderstand. I didn't do it for you. Rias smirked. Sure. But deep down, she understood. Smile with Hans meanwhile. Elsewhere, Sona stood with her team. We can't rely on normal tactics. Her eyes narrowed. Naruto changes everything. Sarah clenched his fist. Good. I want the challenge. Final scene. The battlefield was prepared. A massive arena. Multiple teams. High stakes. Naruto stood with Rias's group. Looking ahead. This won't be easy. Rias stepped beside him. We don't need easy. Naruto smirked slightly. Good answer. The announcement echoed. The rating game begins now. The battlefield activated instantly. A massive arena. Forests, ruins, open skies. All combined into one war zone. Multiple teams. Multiple strategies. But only one target. Naruto. Warning sign the immediate threat. Spread out. Naruto said calmly. Rias Gremory nodded. Everyone follow the plan. The team moved. Fast. Coordinated. But they didn't get far. Takkar ambush. Boom. An explosion hit the ground in front of them. Already. Issei shouted. From the smoke, another team appeared. Led by Sona Citri. We expected this, she said calmly. Naruto stepped forward. Of course you did. Smile with horns the real plan. Sona raised her hand. Surround him. Instantly, her team moved, ignoring everyone else, focusing only on Naruto. So that's how it is, Akeno smirked. They're not even hiding it. Naruto sighed. Figures. Naruto is everyone. They attack together. Magic. Speed. Precision. But Naruto didn't move until the last second. Then, he vanished, appeared behind one opponent. Boom! Knocked out instantly. Another came from above. Naruto blocked, countered, crack, down. He's too fast. Someone shouted. Fire absolute control. Naruto moved like a shadow. Every attack, perfectly timed. Every counter, devastating. Within seconds, half of Sona's team was down. Even she narrowed her eyes. So this is his level. Dil Tootna pressure on Rias. Meanwhile, Rias Gremory and her team was struggling. Because another group appeared, led by Sarah Bell. We'll handle the rest, he said. Issei clenched his fists. They split us. Rias realized instantly. They're isolating Naruto. Warning sign the trap. Back on Naruto's side. He stopped. Suddenly. So this was the plan. The ground beneath him lit up. A massive magic circle. Too late to dodge. Binding formation. Sona said. Chains of energy shot upward, locking Naruto in place. Fearful first time stopped. He's caught him. Issei shouted from afar. Naruto struggled, but the chains held. Interesting, he muttered. Sona raised her hand. Fire. Takkar massive attack. Multiple spells launched at once. From all directions. No escape. Boom. A massive explosion engulfed Naruto. Silence. Smoke filled the air. Dil Tootna Rias reacts. Naruto, Rias whispered. Her heart tightened. No. She tried to move. But Sarah blocked her. Focus on your own battle. Smile with horns the twist. The smoke cleared slowly. Did we get him? Someone asked. Then, a voice. Not bad. Everyone froze. Naruto stood there, unharmed. The chains shattered. Firepower rising, but not enough. His aura flared. Stronger than before. He stepped forward. Slowly. Now it's my turn. Complete domination. Naruto disappeared. And what followed was chaos. One by one, enemies fell. No resistance. No chance. Even Sona was pushed back. Impossible, she whispered. Warning sign final moment. Naruto stopped, looking at the battlefield. Teams scattered. Chaos everywhere. Then, he felt it. A new presence. Stronger than everyone else. So you finally decided to move, Naruto muttered. From the distance, Sarah Bell stepped forward. Now it's my turn. The battlefield fell silent. All eyes turned to them. Sarah Bell, vs. Naruto Uzumaki. Power vs potential. Strength vs mystery. The challenge. Sarah stepped forward. You're strong. Naruto shrugged. You're not bad either. A small smirk appeared on Sarog's face. Let's see who stands at the top. No countdown. No signal. They moved. Takkar first clash. Boom. Their fists collided. The impact shattered the ground beneath them. Shockwaves spread across the battlefield. Everyone watching felt it. This is insane, Issei whispered. Even Rias Gremory couldn't look away. High voltage speed and power. Sarah attacked again. Fast, precise, brutal. Naruto blocked, countered, dodged. Each exchange, perfect. neither backing down. Fire pushing limits. Saraf smiled. Good. His aura exploded. Power rising rapidly. I've been waiting for this. Naruto's eyes narrowed. Then don't disappoint me. He vanished. Appeared behind. Kick. Blocked. Punch. Countered. They were equal. Smile with haunts the difference. But then, Naruto's aura shifted. Something deeper awakened. There it is, Sarah muttered. The hidden power. The anomaly. Warning sign, the turning point. Naruto stepped forward. Faster than before. Stronger. His attacks. Now overwhelming. Sarah was pushed back. So this is your true strength, he said. But he didn't fall. Instead, he smiled wider. Fire final exchange. Come at me. Naruto didn't hesitate. Both charged. Full power. No holding back. Boom. A massive explosion covered the battlefield. No one could see. No one could breathe. Dil tootna after the clash. The smoke cleared slowly. Two figures stood. Belly. Naruto. Standing. Sarah. Still standing. But, he smiled. You win. Silence. What? Issei said. Sarah stepped back. I can't continue. But you can. That was enough. Trophy the result. The announcement echoed. Sarah Bell, eliminated. Shock. Naruto, won. Chamakta Dil final moment. Naruto looked around. The battlefield. Destroyed. Teams. Defeated. Then, he turned back toward Rias Creamery. Looks like we did it. Rias smiled. Yeah, we did. But far away. Someone watched. Interesting. A new threat was already coming. Silence filled the battlefield. Dust settled. The war was over. Naruto stood alone at the center. Breathing steady. Not exhausted. But thoughtful. Trophy the final result. A voice echoed across the arena. The match is over. Winner, Rias Creamery's peerage. Cheers erupted. Issei jumped. We won. Akeno smiled warmly. My, how exciting. Konko nodded quietly. Victory. Asia clasped her hands happily. Thank goodness. Chamakta Dil, a different kind of victory. Rias walked toward Naruto. Slowly. You carried us. Naruto shook his head. No, you all improved. That's why you won. Rias smiled. Still, thank you. Naruto looked at her, then gave a small nod. Yeah, the decision. Later, back in the Meh Hall. All major figures gathered. Eyes on Naruto. The test is complete, one elder said. Naruto Uzumaki, you are officially recognized as. A pause. The Universal Knight. Murmurs spread. A unique existence. Free from the limits of peerage. Able to choose any side. Warning sign, a dangerous freedom. Another elder spoke. This power is dangerous. You must be controlled. Naruto's eyes turned cold. Try. The pressure in the room spiked. Even the elders hesitated. Chamakta Dil Rias steps forward. Suddenly, Rias Gremory stepped forward. He's not a weapon. Silence. He's an ally. She looked at Naruto. Our ally. That statement changed everything. Naruto's answer. Naruto sighed softly. I'm not joining anyone permanently. But, he looked at Rias and the others. I'll help when it matters. Issei grinned. That's enough for us. Akeno giggled. My, how loyal. Konko nodded. Good. Asia smiled. We're happy. Surya's a new path. Days later, things returned to normal. Almost. Naruto stood on the rooftop again. Same place. Same view. But different feeling. Not bad. Footsteps approached. Rias. You're smiling. Naruto smirked slightly. Don't get used to it. She laughed softly. Too late. Smile with Horn's final tease. Far away, in darkness, a figure watched. So he's been recognized. A dangerous smile formed. Good. Now he's worth hunting. Naruto looked at the sky, unaware that his story was only just beginning.